Hi there, welcome to One Two Step. In today's video, I am going to show you how to sign up for Santander Bank account. To sign up for Santander Bank account, first we need to open any web browser. In this video, I'm going to choose Google. After opening up Google, on the URL bar, type in Santander Bank. And after that, there's an option called Online Banking. Click on that. It will lead you to its official webpage of Santander Bank. And there you will see a login button in the topmost right corner. Click on that to sign up for Santander Bank. Now there you can see a option called first time user enroll. Click on that and it will take you to the sign up page. Now the first step is to select your identification method. And after that, type in the 4-digit of social security number. If you don't have a social security number, then click on don't have social security number. It will provide you a alternative method. After filling up the identification option and the 4-digit of your social security number, then click continue. After that, it will lead to a verification step. And after that, it will ask your email address or your mobile number to give a verification code. After receiving the code, type in the code and click continue. After that, it will give you an opportunity to create your own password. Create your password and then click continue. So that is the process of signing up for a new Santander Bank account. If you find this video useful, then don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that we can send you notification of our newest upload. For now, thank you for watching the video.